I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Welcome back, besties. So today we'll be unboxing something together. I got a package in the mail. I love goodies. I love skincare. So I reached out to Pacifica. That's the brand, beauty brand. And I told them that their eye masks have been working. So they was nice enough to send me some more goodies. So we're gonna open it together. Okay. Y'all. Oh my God, I gotta show y'all. So I'm guessing this is their new collection of their body care, and you guys know I love me some body care. So this is the high vibration rose quartz body oil. Baby, this is about to get me shimmery and smell it. Let me smell it. Oh my God. All right. Okay. The glow package. When I say glow, this is glow. This is what I'm. It's like some glistening, glowy drops. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. I love pink. This can go under your makeup, mix in with your foundation, or just wear it with your moisturizer. You're gonna be glowy and like glistening. I'm about to be glowing. Stop it. Next up is the vanilla butter body hydrating stick. Wow. Like, it speaks for itself. I already know. And it smells so freaking good. I can't wait to try all of this. Oh, we got one more, y'all. Okay, so this one, it looks like a bronzing body oil. And I love, it's so cute. Pacifica Beauty, thank you for my little package. I cannot wait to try all of these products. If you want me to try any of these products and review it for you guys, just comment down below and let me know. Good morning, beautiful people. I'm back and we are about to go to the farmer's market. Yes, you know I love me a good farmer's market, a good flea market, a good thrift store, baby, a discounted store. I'm in here. I love it. Baby, we love a discount. When I tell y'all I find gems at the thrift store, I'm gonna take y'all one day on my little journey. But today we are going on a journey to the farmer's market. I'm gonna do a little quick beat. I'm already dressed, skincare on fleek. Today I'm gonna use this little droplet formula, and so we're gonna mix this up. This is so cute. So just patting that in. A little dusting. Yeah. Really nice, really nice. See, a nice little cool dusting. Pretty much highlighted. I just want to do it a little more. New setting spray from Morphe. This is a game changer. This is sunscreen setting spray. Even though the sun is not going to be out too much, we still need to protect it. Period. I got my New Balances on. Got me my little two-piece sweatsuit, my little bangles. Love some little jewelry. My little headpiece, my little shades. We cute. We ready for farmer's market. We about to stack up on some good produce, some freshness. I love it. Let's go. Okay, your girl had to stop for some stuff before getting to the my little farmer's market. So we're here at the farmer's market. I'm about to fill up my bag and get a lot of goodies, y'all. They got eggs, they got potatoes, they got a lot of fresh herbs and a lot of fresh greens. I need some, we're on the hunt for bok choy. Bok choy, I need it. Come on. Look at this. What? Organic. It's a great day to be at the farmer's market. This is like heaven. Is that sea moss? Oh no, that's raw honey. White peach. White peach. Okay, cool.
Peach season. Try that.
I don't even like peaches. This is great.
Try that. That's our mandarin. A little tango. Then we have yellow peaches as well, and white nectarines.
Wow.
This is delicious.
This is juicy. So we're here at Ken's Tea House.
Yeah, but yes.
So this is the golden milk?
The golden milk. Yeah, it's been our best seller since we started, since 2012.
So golden milk.
That's the one I used to get.
With turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger. Ooh, come on.
Yeah, so it's good for inflammation, good for diabetics, stuff like headaches.
I'm at the sea moss stand. At this beautiful stand, I'm going to show you guys. We have the creators here called Chef Mossy. Okay, I love it. And she definitely has a variety of different flavors. And the benefits of sea moss, you guys should know already. Get into it. Yes, so today we're going to be purchasing the raspberry sea moss. Big cucumber. Oh my god. All right, everybody know I have an obsession with pickles, and we found the stand. We found the stand. Different pickles. It's like, oh my goodness. This is anything with
They got an old-fashioned one.
This is a sweet bread and butter pickle.
The extra hot is really good.
All right, that's all right.
I like the honey mustard.
Like horseradish?
No,
I do.
don't.
Okay, party pickle.
Party pickle.
Party pickle on your mouth. I don't like horseradish.
This is really good.
It is.
Happy belated Mother's Day.
Thank you. Want to try the hot garlic?
I'll do hot garlic. Medium hot garlic.
Well, this is not hot at all.
Yeah.
No, this is good.
It's not hot though.
So it starts sweet, the horseradish kicks in, it'll go back to sweet, and then end with some horseradish. Oh wow.
Right? Right.
Extra hot garlic is really good.
Yeah, I know.
And it's like, no, I can't even.
Can I get a small of the honey mustard?
Absolutely.
Nah.
Okay, I don't like buffalo ranch.
Yeah.
No?
That honey mustard and that horseradish.
The horseradish,
You guys
baby.
want more flavor.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Zippy.
This is great. This is really good. Pickle red cabbage. I don't know. Pickled cabbage and beets. Oh, they got pickled red onions and jalapeno. Okay. I want organic. I need organic. We got some buns. Love me an onion. Got an onion. I love onions. So that is mine. Yep. That and that. Very nice. Hi. Hello. Do you have bok choy? No.
Oh, no bok choy.
Okay. I'm gonna get that though.
Okay.
Okay.
Muchas gracias, señorita.
De nada. We stumbled upon a whole bunch of jams and butters, all natural, homemade. It looks amazing. And we're gonna try some stamp pistachio butter.
You guys don't have any grapefruit? Not to the weekend again.
Try that one. That's really good. The almond butter and coconut. Wow. We do this one.
This has espresso in it.
Okay.
coffee?
That's the espresso one. That is great. I love it.
Espresso?
The espresso ones. This one is good, y'all.
A few moments later.
Okay, I've been walking around this parking lot for a long time and I finally got my bok choy. Okay, so I am done with my little adventure at the farmer's market. The last stop is these beautiful eggs that's on the market for like $100,000. So we had a pit stop at Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna get some things for the house. Okay, so this is only at Trader Joe's. I accidentally left my farmer's market bags in the car. So my best friend's bringing them up. But I did good. It's like pretty healthy, nutritionist things in here. Okay, so we are in the kitchen. I got some of my vegetables washed. I got my fish washed. Got me some water. I washed my bok choy. One thing I didn't know about cod is really stinks. Like, stinks. So I left it in that bag. Now we're gonna cut up the cabbage. So this is gonna be my first time cooking cod. I love fish, so I'm gonna conquer this. I feel like I've had enough cod to know how it should taste and look. And I have my cilantro, my onions, my lime, my green onions, and my garlic. I'm gonna try to do a sauce for the cod too. So okay, so now that we got everything cut, I put my water on boil. I seasoned my water and I also added some chicken stock, a little bit of chicken stock, and miso ginger broth. Show you guys the pot because it looks pretty seasoned and good. So now we're just gonna add all of the vegetables.
A few moments later. Two hours later.
So there's a wait of 30 to 50 minutes. So we're gonna go and shop around. Y'all, you know I'm about to buy Hello Kitty. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. So I found the little bag for traveling, y'all. So cute. I don't know if I'm gonna get this. Oh, they got the pink one. I mean, so we got a little pink one. So we gonna get some of these. I wanna know what kind of Doritos is that. Ramen. So we are at the sushi spot, guys. Okay,
Cheesecake be gone every time. You gonna have to order it individually. So the rent means that they have it in that. Oh, those are the ingredients.
So good. OMG.
This is good. Y'all, this is good. It is spicy. I love me a spice. So we got some miso soup. Another miso soup. Oh, and this is my dumpling with chicken in it.
Wow.
That looks really good. It's spicy. That food was so good. Thank you. The food was amazing. I really liked everything I had, everything I ordered. That was my first time going to a sushi bar with a conveyor belt. It was pretty cool. I liked the experience.